But
This
you see,
part. This is
flying
part
birds.
two. This is part two of playing natural disaster with some people who keeps clapping, and those are all. What's going on?
Today I'll
Tyrion
be
is
walking to my
upstairs.
bookstore.
Tyrion, look, Tyrion, look. Look at his
Garfield.
butt.
Garfield.
Garfield without ears.
Garfield with clothes. Garfield with clothes. I never knew Garfield wear clothes.
Tanyua.
And the eyes.
Tanyua 15. I'm
So I
gonna
remember when Andre, I remember,
say
you know what Andre made? He had
oh, you're
googly
gonna
eyes, even though that's not allowed in nutrition week. You should have used, I don't know, blueberries or something.
why does he have boob?
Oh,
Tyrion,
who has the hammer?
I remember when I was
Okay,
here. I literally found a fatty, a fatty cat who jumped in the ride, this ride.
I wanna
Tyrion,
climb up here.
I wanna
James, what
go.
are we gonna do?
Oh, wait, Tyrion, I didn't
What's
know
the
we can sit
disaster?
down. Tyrion, look, I didn't know we can sit down.
Oh,
Look.
James, I'll control it for you. Oh yeah, we're safe there. It won't reach you at all because we're on an island in the middle of nowhere.
I remember there was a cat who is fat. Everyone wants to
I'm gonna
climb
move the
in.
entire thing so everybody dies.
No, we're causing a mini earthquake. We're causing a mini earthquake. Jump on it so that it will
Wait,
break.
can you exit? Can you ex? Can you ex? Whatever. You cannot escape also.
That means we
You're
cannot
gonna be buried.
exit.
I'm just gonna be on the tree, the safest thing on planet Earth. A
Oh,
tree is definitely
no!
flammable.
Tyrion, it's shaking! It's shaking! Finally, the shaking stopped.
Dreams, you are stuck there and it won't ever reach me. I'm on a tree. How will it even reach me? Only if the grass caught on fire.
The grass is getting on fire! Uh-oh.
Oh, your place is cooked, Dreams. Wait, it actually won't reach you. You know why? It's not
Why?
hitting any blocks except for that string.
Yes. Now,
I think
help
we
me
need
get
like
out of here. There. Now,
James, I
someone...
ain't recording actually.
Oh, someone save me!
I was
Oh,
recording earlier.
someone save us! Save me! Save me! Oh, wait.
Where are you?
I fell. That doesn't count, okay?
Oh,
Cause the land just the map just generated.
yay! I love launching into the moon.
Launching satellite, you mean? Terion, go to
People give me 40 pesos.
Terion, you go to the space shuttle. I'll operate it, okay?
Ah, he's not going in there.
There we Oh,
Wait,
Move,
James is a blizzard!
And goodbye to everyone. I saved everyone's
Oh,
day.
wait, it fell from the sky. What happened?
I'm gonna go.
James, there's a blizzard. Hide! Oh, here!
Hide
Here,
where?
James!
Hide where?
James!
Hide
Hiding here.
where?
Oh my god, James. Oh, no.
Hide where?
Here.
What do you mean?
Actually, I'm getting saved! Yes!
Di ka
I'm
naman sa
safe!
mag-ingay, ha? Ay, lang ako dito. Tingin ka naman
Oh, James, there's also a safe
Where? Here?
Right here. That's
That-
not.
Let's cuddle up the walls and clap like little kids just clapping a wall.
James, I'm gonna find a new pot. Right here on this corner.
At least everyone left just to go to their room.
Someone please cuddle to me. Ah! A spring water! A flame water!
What the where? Am I going to survive there?
I don't know if I'm gonna survive. My health's so low. Bro, who pushed me? I wasn't safe pot. Oh! We have the timing that the entire building flew away. Suddenly, we survived.
Yeah. I guess
That's
no one is gonna get the 20 pesos.
you need to give me 40 pesos.
Hey, why am I the only one again? There you look here. Oh.
My present panic. I love going to jail. I'm gonna take my picture.
There I was
Wait.
inside the map. Hopefully I get in again. If I like
Diba
it.
I didn't.
Why am I
James?
lagging? Yes.
James, diba I didn't die the whole time.
Why
James,
am
I didn't die the whole time. James!
Yes.
James, hello?
Yes.
I died. Guess how many times I didn't die?
3 times.
I never died actually.
There you
But why did my cement shoes flew away and I'm dead? I'm inside the building right now.
I'm inside the building and
Go to the first.
hi Lure. Nice to meet you. I love your hiding spot. I'm at the cafeteria. That's so cool. I wanna eat there. Yum yum.
You ain't eating anymore.
Where me and
But the entire building's getting pushed.
uh-oh. Run away!
Yes, I escaped! I escaped the building!
I have to escape the building as well. Yes, I escaped the building also and I'm trapped. Help me.
Oh, where are you, brother?
I'm inside.
Oh, I see you!
Yeah.
James!
I got flashbang before my eyes. That's why I couldn't speak.
James, look, I am my inmate. James, there's barbed wires!
I don't care about barbed wires. I love touching them.
Okay, go touch them. So you need to give me another 40 pesos.
My arch nemesis, the prison.
20.
There look, my arch nemesis, the prison.
Whoa.
That's
James,
what
run. Why is everybody lagging? Am I laggy?
I'm lagging. We are lagging, and I'm not.
Am I the only one lag? Yes!
I got smacked to the wall. I got smacked.
James, we escaped prison because of the earthquake. James! That's you, you're dinosaur.
Where?
Let's call him Spawn. James, you're over there. James, hello James. James, wait, James. Yay! I love racing if I have red health.